All birds of jungle were planning to go to Sparrow Lado's birthday. We have to get ready for Lado's birthday. Also, we have to buy an expensive gift for her.
Yes, Crow Bro, you are right. Lado Sparrow is so rich. She won't like any common gift. Her gift should not be inexpensive.
I bought gold ring for Lado. My mother advised me to not to give any low cost gift to her.
What? Gold ring as a birthday gift?
Yes, of course. I can't take any low price gift for Lado. Chino Sparrow eavesdropped them when they were planning to go to birthday party. She also wanted to go to party, but her family is indigent and she can't afford to buy exorbitant gift for Lado. She said to her mother,
Everybody is planning to go to Lado's birthday party. I also want to join them.
"Okay, dear, you are allowed to go. I'm sure, as always, Lado is going to invite all birds of jungle."
Thanks, mother, but I can't go there empty handed. I will have to buy something for Lado.
Oh, I didn't think about this. But you know how hand to mouth we are. We won't be able to buy good and expensive gifts. But Chino really wanted to be a part of this. She knew she should have buy something for Lado. She was thinking of gift ideas when suddenly she saw flowers in her garden. They were looking pretty and fresh, and this struck her mind with a plan. She thought to pluck flowers from garden and make bouquet for Lado.
This is looking fairly a beautiful gift.
She takes her flowers and leaves for birthday. Everyone was there with beautiful and expensive gifts. Chino was surprisingly seeing arrangement when Crow came to her and said,
So this you brought for Lado? Aren't you seeing how magnificent this party is? And you came here with these stupid flowers.
"You are such a brainless sparrow, you and your shabby gift." Crow and Pigeon were making fun of Chino when Lado came there. "What is happening here? And why Chino is sad?" "Look at these flowers that Chino brought for you." "So what, Pigeon bro? Nothing is beautiful as flowers. Flowers are nature's gift. I like them more as compared to those artificial, so-called expensive gifts. Thanks, Chino. Now let's go. Time to cut cake." Lado was tender-hearted and compassionate. She never judged people according to their monetary status. Chino felt relieved after listening to Lado and enjoyed party at her fullest. But Crow and Pigeon got annoyed. So they stopped Chino when she was fleeing back to home.
You enjoyed grand party in lieu of those good-for-nothing flowers, you beggarly sparrow.
"You are such a freeloader."
You are right, she is a moocher.
They laughed on Chino.
No, I am not a moocher, neither I ate anything there. I will to meet everybody and enjoy party.
If this is case, invite us on your birthday party so we would know you are not a freeloader. Chinu kept quiet after listening this. She knows her home expenses hardly meets. She couldn't afford to throw lavish parties.
She is out of words now. Only can eat in other parties.
Their motive was only to insult Chinu, so they kept on teasing her. Chinu was heartbroken on this situation. Her mother asked from her, Dear Chinu, why are you sad?
Crow and Pigeon insulted me. They said I am a freeloader and can't give anything in return.
Why would they say this?
They said I am destitute and don't have money.
Oh, my dear, don't even think of these people. They both are spoiled kids. Their parents never paid attention to their ethics and manners. Don't waste your precious tears on such people, dear. Be strong.
No, mother, this time I will throw a big party and invite everybody. Please ask father to give me some money for arrangements.
Dear, you know we are hardly ending meets. We don't have extra money to magnificence. Be mindful and don't talk about it with your father. You will worry him. Chinu felt dejected. She couldn't understand what her mother advised as she was a kid.
What if we are poor? Why only rich earns respect? It shouldn't be like this.
She slept crying and thinking. She dreamed of a beautiful fairy who came to her and said that she will make her fairly rich and give them lots of money. She also promised her to bring her chocolate cake, balloons, and lots of gifts. Chinu was very happy in her dream. After waking up, she told her mother about dream, of which her mother didn't give any response as she thought she's just making things up. After 2 days, Chino's birthday came. She was excitedly waiting for Fairy. Chino dear, for whom you are waiting?
Today is my birthday. My friend Fairy promised me to bring balloons and chocolates. Also, she was saying to give lots of money to father.
That was just a dream. No fairy will come. Don't make your hopes high.
Mother, I'm sure she will come.
She kept sitting there and waiting for Fairy. After some time, she saw fairies coming to her with many gifts, cake and balloons.
Mother, see my fairy friends came.
Her parents were surprised to see her dream came true. Fairies decorated Chino's house beautifully. And then they invited everybody in the jungle. All wondered to see amazing decorations and arrangements. After everybody leaves, Chino's mother saw a box of money in the corner of house. They all were so happy. Now they become rich. So kids, that was Chino's story. We will meet you in next video now. Thanks for watching.